Hi everyone, Yus here back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you my intelligent dashboard. I'm actually sorry because I lost all the videos that I made while I was doing the project, so it's gonna be pictures in the video and not video. As you can see, on the board there is a monitor, an adapter to have HDMI ports, a Raspberry Pi, an Arduino, and a power supply. I wasn't happy with the look, so I decided to use another board and to just have the screen. It's going to be the screen size. The first thing that I did is I sticked the screen with the board. After sticking the board with the screen or the monitor, I made holes for the speakers and for the button. And then I put everything and I assembled everything. This is the result. Then I put all the parts behind the screen. The final part that I have to do is to wrap everything so I have a nice look. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video and the project. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and see you for the next one.